In this video, I'll show you the right way to promote Digistore24 affiliate product. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get into the video. The reason why I want to do this video is that I've seen a lot of affiliates doing it wrong and I feel like it's not right and it's just a waste of your time watching it all the way to the end, and at the end it's not even the right way. So first of all, if you don't have a Digistore24 account, I'll put the link in the description box. That's a tutorial and you can click on it and watch it. All right, but I believe most of you have a Digistore24 account already, or you can click here to register. All right, so let's get started. I've logged into my account already. Click on marketplace. All right, so it's gonna bring you to this page, and whatever you see here, so these are the trending products, so you can go through them. But what I like to do, I like to go through the category sections. So on your left is the category sections. So you have the animal and pets, betting system, business and investments, dating, love and relationship, fitness and health, internet marketing and e-business. All right, so you can go through it and you can pick your product, but the simple way to do it, if you know what you want, let's say I want something from affiliate marketing, so I'll click on here and I'll type it. So I'll type affiliate. All right, so because I've used it before, it's showing already. So but in your case, if you haven't, you just have to type everything affiliate marketing and you enter. But in my case, I don't have to. I'll just click here because I have it and I'll hit enter. I have only 2 results. Before you promote a product, always make sure you have affiliate tools. And the method I'm about to show you today, we need something to create content. But don't worry, I'll show you a free site. All right, so now we're not gonna click promote yet. We're gonna have to go work on the content quick. Then we'll come back here to click promote. Now this is the sales page. So most of the time it's also good to check the sales page, which by the way, when you click here, it's gonna bring you up here. It's always good to know where you are sending your customers to. So in this particular tutorial, I'll do direct linking. We need a content to promote this. So we're gonna use e-sign article. Now when you come up here, for you not to be going in circles, just type the category that you want. So I want something from affiliate marketing. So I'll just enter and search. And by the way, this is a free article website. Everything here is free to use. The only thing is you have to disclose the source of the article. All right, so how to start making money online as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so the key word is affiliate marketing. Okay, and you have affiliate marketer here. Now at the same time, this will entice people to click, so make money online. All right, so we're gonna use this article. All right, so this is the author of the article, Noel Cruz, and it has a perfect title. So when you look at it, you have to scroll down just to check. For word count, it has 1508. This is awesome. So we're gonna go up. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the traffic method we're gonna use, and it's free traffic. So I'll show you. So the traffic method I'll use is called SlideShare. Please pay attention if you've watched this thing already, and I'll show you the right way to do this. Okay, we have to create a slide and upload it here, and trust me, this SlideShare is under LinkedIn. All right, and this platform is used by career-driven people who have money. Please pay attention. If you don't have an account, you just have to create an account, sign up. Okay, then you go from there. All right, so I'll close this, close that. How do you create the content to promote this product? All right, so you can use Google Slide to create this, but I prefer using Canva to create this content. If you don't have Canva account, you need to create one. It's free. Okay, everything I'm showing you in this tutorial is free. Okay, so you just have to go to canva.com and just sign up for free. All you need is your name and your email. That's it. What you have to do next is to come here and click on presentation. This will be your front page. So what we're gonna do, let's try to find something like affiliate marketing. So now we're gonna try and create stuff. I want to show you a free version first. All right, so what you see, this one says free. That's how you know it's free. You can create your own thing, and you can type the niche or the topic you are dealing with, okay, and it's gonna give you some ideas. So let me try and use this. See this image? If I want, I can change it. I can go here, delete this. If by mistake you delete something, you can click on return and it's gonna come back, okay, but I don't want it, so I'll redo and it's gone. So let's say I want this, so I will drag and drop it, okay, then I'll enlarge it, okay, just to show you how it works. Then maybe I'll try and add a $sign. I mean, if it says pro, you cannot use it, but when it says free, anything free, you can use it. All right, so let me use this one. I'll change the ad title and I'll make it like this: how to start affiliate marketing. So now guess what? We have the first slide. So you ask yourself, how do we link it? But don't worry, we're not gonna do it yet. Under SlideShare rules, you cannot link the first 5 slides. You can link from the 6th slide. So now we're gonna create 4 more. Then the next one, which will be the 6th going, is when we're gonna start linking our affiliate URL. So to do the next one, you click on this. So it's gonna use the same template. So let's say I want to change the color. I'll click here and I'll make it white. Then I'll go to is an article. Most of the affiliates, what they do is they're just gonna copy everything and they'll use Google Slide, and it's gonna give them like 3 slides only. And then they will link it, thinking when people go to SlideShare, they can click on that link. No, they cannot. They cannot click it because it's just 3. This alone can be the first slide. This is why I like Canva. So I click inside, click on test. All right, so now you're gonna choose the test style that you want. Okay, so they have a whole bunch, but because we want this to be reading test, we're gonna choose something simple like this. Okay, so we drag this and bring it here. We're gonna highlight and right click and paste what we've copied so far. It's gonna bring the article source. But what we will do, we'll delete it. And that is one thing that affiliates are not telling you to do. We need to link the affiliate source, but that will be at the end. All right, so we need to correct this. We're gonna center this. The field of affiliate marketing is probably the quickest developing way to make money. The point here is to make money. So I'll go here, and this time I need to find something that I've not used. This one is free. Then I'll drag it. I'll put it here. You can just minimize it. Okay. But most of the time I like to put it down. Make money is the main deal. So this is not a link. Okay. So you see, this look more beautiful. So we move on to the next page. Okay, so this is page 2. So we're going to page 3. Then we go back. We're gonna click on this. Okay, then I click, copy, go back to Canva, grab the text, this one, double click. All right, so this will be my 3rd slide. Then I'll move on. I'll try and reduce this text more because I'm gonna add the link and stuff. So let's go down. I'll add a call to action. So enter. I'll copy this, right click, copy, and I'll go back and I'll paste it, and this one as well. I think the red stands out perfect. Alright, so it brought me to this page, and this is weird, and it's asking me to enter my Digistore ID and the password again. But normally when you click on promote, you should be able to access the affiliate link. So I don't know if this is something new. Alright, so I'll do it and now proceed. Login, enter. Okay, so you see now it has given me the access. You get the access when it's not showing the blue sign. I will show you. See this, promote now. So maybe this is something new. So what I'll do, I will just right click to copy, then I will click on copy. Alright, so if you want to track your click, you can use bit.ly. I will show you quick. Bit.ly. Alright, so this is bit.ly. You can come here and just drop your URL and it's gonna shorten it, but I don't want to do that. And also if you want to keep proper records, you can just sign up for free. That way you have records of everything. But when you drop it here and you shorten it, it's like you can just copy, but you can't keep proper records. Okay, so it's better to sign up. It's free. In this tutorial, I'm not shortening it. I'm gonna link it to a text. Okay, so I'll close it and I'll go back here. So I will just double click this, and to find the link, you click on more and you click on link. Then you drop your link here, then you click apply. So now when somebody read, they can click on your link. So now let's move on to the last page. So right now, slide that we create after this, we can keep linking every step of the way. Okay. So I'll click one more time and I'll go back. So highlight this, copy. So for instance, if this is your last slide, what I advise you to do is to leave this. That is the proper way to do it. Okay. When people create articles, you have to give them credit. And I see affiliates not doing that. So instead of deleting this completely, what I normally do, or what you can do, you can double click and so I'll reduce it just a little bit like this. The purpose of this is to show you how to use it quick. So, but in your case, you have to, do all the way to the end so that the article will make sense. And click here and drop your affiliate link again. That's how you do it. So every page from here, you keep linking, and you keep linking. All right. So as you can see, it picks the title. If not, you just have to give a title, but you have to optimize it nice. Okay. So that Google can pick it. Okay. So I have all my keywords in here. So I'll go here and I'll click. So it's telling me I have 7 pages. And it's gonna be PDF, and that's what we need. So I'll click download, and remember the name of the file. So click on download. I'll go up here and I'll click on upload because I have account already. Let's click upload. Then what I'll do, I'll just drag it and drop it in here. See, it's uploading. And by the way, I need to show you the traffic. Okay, so let's see the traffic. I forgot to show you that. See the traffic. All right. So the monthly visit is 119.90 million. Okay, the title is good. I'll leave it like that. And you're gonna give a little description. So what I can do, okay, so drop it. I'll delete this because I have it already in the article. I see some people drop their affiliate link down here too, but when you drop it with SlideShare, it doesn't work. Okay, so I'll show you something. You see everything here, you can click it. So go back, go here, go here, go here, go here. See? Then when it gets here, you can click it. You see the difference? From the C slide, you can click anything that you have linked. But if not, whatever you link before that, you cannot click it. So category, so click here. It's gonna be business or marketing. Let's see. Yeah, marketing. Marketing is better. All right, so my thing is almost green already because right here is filled with keywords and even the title, but you can still add more. Affiliate marketing. Okay, then you click on it, you add make money online. Okay, then you click it. See, now it's full. That means these two tags has fulfilled the tagging section, and I can add a lot of tags. All right, then when everything is done, guess what? You just click publish. I'm not gonna keep this, so I will just close it. Okay, because I don't wanna upload it. It's just a tutorial. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find value in this, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.